my little troublemakers, welcome to and today we are going to have a very stressful day. You know why? Because I'm dressed up like this. This means it is not the doomsday, but yeah, it is the debate day and I'm afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm nervous actually. So let's see what goes and comes ahead. How it goes. I don't know. Bye bye. I have now reached my university campus. काफ़ी स्ट्रेस का माहौल है. हम जा रहे हैं अभी ऑडिटोरियम में. हम फाइनली आफ्टर वॉकिंग बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स ऐसे मौके पे कहाँ नहीं मिलेगा मुझे इलेक्शन. वो तो चाहते हैं ना चलें. अब थोड़ा वेट कम करूँ तो जा रहे हैं अंदर. अब पर पीछे से लेके आई हैव एंटर्ड द ऑडिटोरियम. मेरे साथ है मेरी फॉर द मोशन वाली लड़की और उनके साथ है उनके सपोर्ट करने वाली लड़की और हमारे पीछे है हमारे कंपटीटर. Baby fat. But this is not a thing to think of right now. I have to do this. डर का माहौल है. Practice. So there is a podium also, so that I don't get nervous on the stage, which I usually do. So. ये देखते क्या बोला जा रहा है और किसके बारे में पूछा.
The decision of the judges shall be final. Platforms more safely and effectively. Certain people.
आज हम बहुत ही एक बेहद अहम सवाल का सामना कर रहे हैं.
लट लगाने वाला है, इसलिए इन्होंने.
Serial number is 12. अभी 6 चल रहा है. Numerology के हिसाब से 2 + 1 is 3 and that's the arithmetic numbers. Maybe I can do good. Oh what logics I'm just imposing right now. Anyways, अंदर जो भी ये चल रही है ना, बॉडी में सेंसेशंस होती हैं. कैसे सेंसेशंस अंदर हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट सब हो रही है इस टाइम पे. मेरे को दर्द जा रहा है. And I'm back in hall that is empty to rehearse again. Serial number is about to come. I'm about to go on the stage. See you.
No safety rates.
I'm done with my stage. I just posted on the YouTube. My hands are literally shaking. I was silvering and I found like internally I know I did a little mistake, but that's fine. We're going.
would like to invite participant B from team 19.
We are going बाहर क्योंकि बाहर हवा चल रही है.
क्योंकि हमें क्यूटी है.
मजा नहीं आया. The debate is over and we are requested to come at the same venue at 4. आएंगे लंगर में. I mean रिफ्रेशमेंट खाने. हमें हमारे सूत्रों से पता लगा है कि पीड़े वाले राजमा है आज खाने में. Yeah.
मेरी फेवरेट है वो.
बस तू ही मेरी फेवरेट नहीं है. तेरा सब फेवरेट है. चल निकल. ओवर एक्टिंग के 50 रुपए काटूंगी तेरे.
हाय गाइस, तो अब शाइना की टर्न. खाइए. नो देयर आर गाइस इन भैंस. चटनी, राजमा चावल. हाँ,
बिना चटनी के
इसको स्पाइसी बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है और ये स्पाइसी खा भी नहीं सकती है, तो पता नहीं इसको चटनी भी बर्दाश्त होगी या नहीं. इट्स वेरी गुड. चल बाइट दे मुझे भी. बाइट दो मुझे. यस. भूखी.
मेरी Now we are going for another thing, that is rehearsal, because we are doing anchoring on 23rd. Divya and me, the best co-anchors. We are out of Goa today, लहराते हुए बॉलीवुड स्टाइल में. यहाँ तूफान आ रहा है.
सबसे बड़ी तूफान.
पंचलाइन तेरे पे नहीं अच्छी लगती जब तू खुद के लिए मार लेती है.
How are we going to learn this then?
Just like we do the debate.
I don't know how to do ratification.
Guys, we are walking, going to the Nest Cafe because we are feeling thirsty. And she is babbling. Ignore her. Moment of truth. It's 4 and we are going inside the auditorium because इनको इग्नोर करो क्योंकि हमारा लेट्स सी हमने क्या झंडे उखाड़े हैं और गाड़े हैं। बाय बाय। तो कुछ चुंबल बन गया, अगर स्टेज पे सर्टिफिकेट के लिए मैं जाऊँगी तो पता नहीं कैसे आऊँगी। प्रांजा एस्थेटिक्स में जाऊँ Stage is set. We're having the trophies.
Research Studies, University of Jammu.
कुछ नहीं होगा हमारा लल्ला बेटा।
Hence, it clearly shows how regulation can be used as a powerful political tool
क्या
to
लग रहा है
silence the
आपको क्या होने वाला है?
opposition under the guise of contempt moderation.
गाइस इसको इसका सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया है। बताइए क्या
मैं बताती
सर्टिफिकेट
हूँ।
मिला?
We got something and it's a certificate of merit.
और लगाओ पहले आप वीडियोस। मैंने बोला था नज़र इज़ रियल, समझ नहीं आती आपको।
That's fine. It happens. So
इट्स फाइन, इट्स फाइन।
the conclusion is we'll do some more hard work. पता नहीं, but the thing is हर judge differently judge करता है and you never know. So keep putting on hard work and that's fine. And it was a stressfully beautiful day because I got to do lot many things despite this debate. So love you. Take care. Tata.
We are living in a world where 240 characters can cause a fight. A reel can ruin the reputation and a meme can misinform millions. But the real threat is regulation. It's not the rape, death, acid dark threats in your DMs and comments. But the real danger is simply asking for rules. Because we live in 2025. Freedom of expression means freedom to say anything, anytime, anywhere. To harass, abuse and manipulate, right? Good morning, honorable jury. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand here to speak against the motion on the given topic that regulation of social media is a threat to freedom of expression. Because I believe that regulation is the reason that freedom of expression is surviving the digital age. Otherwise, it will be killed. Let's have some stats. India is having 47 crore social media users. It's more than the entire population of US. Well, that's great. With great reach comes great power and danger. Cybercrime in India has increased by 80% since 2019 to 2025, targeting women, marginalized communities, activists, etc. Considering all of these, I have rebuttal for my opponent saying, regulation is censorship. No, censorship is silencing opinions. That's Hitler's rule. On the other hand, regulation is stopping hate speech, cyberbullies, and crime. There is a difference between both of them. Let it up. That matters. People can say whatever they want to say, sure, but others should feel safe from the threats, lies, and online harassment that is going on. Freedom is not a license to harm anyone. Well, regulation protects everyone's voice and not just the loudest. And we all know, regulation without boundaries is not freedom, it's chaos. Social media is just a platform. Sorry, not at all. It has algorithm, it amplifies content, it is shaping opinions. When it is acting like a publisher, then it should be regulated like publishers. We are regulating television, radio, newspaper, not to silence them, but to maintain a standard. Then why should social media be the only platform left unregulated when we know that this is the most influential platform in the world today? 2021 IT rule says that companies should take down their illegal content, hire an officer to maintain the decorum and handle the complaints. Well, I know government can misuse the laws, that's true. But the solution to this is not no regulation. It's smarter, better, transparent regulation that comes and is designed with people direction and legal reviews. That sounds accountable and is not the death of democracy. Also a fun fact. Without regulation, it's not the government that is silencing your opinion, it's the algorithm. It decides the trend, what you see and what you do not see. That's not freedom. That's invisible control that comes with power and money. That's the death of democracy. I would like to conclude my arguments by saying that in a world where digital Kurukshetras are fought every day, regulation is not Duryodhan's cage, it's Krishna's counsel. Measured, moral, and meant to prevent the war ahead. And if you're afraid of it, you're afraid of the fact that your arrows won't fly without the chaos. its team. Think about it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.